Hi, my name is Gabby, and today I am baking cupcakes. They're going to look like this. And then we need some baking powder. And it's we're in my grandma's kitchen because we didn't have any eggs because Daddy used them all gone. And because it's a celebration, graduating party, so we need to have some stuff ready. We got eggs, we got the papers, got some oil, we got the papers, we got this. So now it says cook Gabby. We're gonna start with the oil. First, we have pour the oil in and then crack the eggs.
Crack them on the edge of the bowl. Tell the audience what you're doing.
I am putting the eggs in. Make sure there's no shells in there. If there is, it don't taste bad.
Have you ever had shells in your cooking before?
Yeah.
You just put it in there. Put the whole shell in there.
Next,
How did you get the shell in there?
we crack like this. Second. Third. No shells. So, third. Oh wait, here's some stuff. Next, we're gonna pour the bowl in, right, Mama? Put in all of the powder in. And then this is in part of the video. I can have like the beaters. That's okay, that always happens. Bakers always do that. All we have to do is scoop it in the hand. There. Now we have to get the blender. I'm gonna put it on.
Now tell them what you're going to do next and then wrap up. What are you going to do after you're done mixing?
After we're done mixing, we're gonna put them in the oven and I get the batters, okay? Bye! Make sure to watch more of our videos and have fun. Bye!